morning and welcome to Bruce Munro's Fellow Light Uluru. My name is Tia and I'll be your host for the night, or your ambassador they say. Before we begin, I'd like to take this time to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Ananu, and thank them for sharing their beautiful land with us. Ladies and gentlemen, the main man or the main artist behind this incredible exhibition is Mr. Bruce Munro. Mr. Munro is an Englishman who hails from Wiltshire in the UK. And he fell in love with this place when he first visited Uluru in 1992. That was when the idea of putting up an installation was born, but the whole exhibition came to life on the 1st of April 2016. This is Mr. Munro's second largest exhibition, covering up an area of 49,000 square meters. And it's his first ever solar installed installation. So in the field, there are 36 solar panels that work alongside 144 projectors that lights up to 380 kilometers of optic fiber cables. So if you stretch those optic fiber cable, it's like traveling from Ayers Rock to Alice Spring, which is our nearest town, or if you're from Sydney to Wagga Wagga. It took them approximately, it's on my bucket list to get to Wagga Wagga, trust me. I've been here for 9 months, it's still on my bucket list. And it took them approximately 5 weeks to get the installation to what you see right now. 2,000 hours to create and assemble everything out in the UK. And with the help of Qantas Airline, they were able to make 32 international and domestic flights, shipping everything from the UK out here to Uluru. And yes, an extra 3,900 hours to recreate them on site with the help of 15 volunteers, 6 artists from UK and 4 art handlers from the US and Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be wondering how many light stamps or light bulbs are in the field tonight that you'll be walking through. There's a total of 50,000 light stamps together with these frostospheres. And those light stamps or light bulbs, they change their color every 6 to 10 seconds. So when you do get your favorite color, take as many photos as you can. And if you can't, please keep walking. There are 36 clusters in the field. You'll be able to find your favorite color along the way. And all the materials that you'll be seeing tonight are all reusable and recyclable materials. And yes, them being put in a container weighs 15 tons. So initially when it was opened on the 1st of April 2016, it was only meant to open for 6 months. But due to its popularity, due to lovely guests like you, they extended it to another 6 months, and that other 6 months became a year, and a year after, and a year after. And guess what? 7 years later, a Fijian is standing in front of you sharing some fun facts about the field of lights. And yes, now it's set to go on up until December 2027.